Hi everyone, it's Lauren from Single Barrel Soaps, and today I am making a Halloween soap. So I am guessing by the time that I post this video, I will have announced my super secret project I was doing with Route 1 Apparel. I'm super excited to have my little Halloween Krabby soaps be part of their Halloween boxes. But when I made them, if you saw, I'm not sure if I've edited, I hope I've posted this video by this point, I used a cookie cutter to cut them out. So I had tons of Halloween soap left. So I am making my own Halloween confetti bar, and then they are going to be topped with these adorable little guys on top. So I'm really excited. I'm not quite sure how many I'm going to get from this batch, but I have my triple tall and skinny soap mold from Nurture Soap ready to go. So I'll have enough room to put them no matter what I get. So first I'm going to start with the base. I have my oils and butters. I'm going to add my lye and water solution, and this all I prepped last night. So it's all room temperature, which is 74 degrees, cooling down a little bit finally. And I'm going to get started mixing this up. So I want to split off a tiny bit that is going to go on the very top right before the bats. So not a lot. Let's say that's plenty, I think, right? There we go. Just in case. And to this one, I'm going to be adding Flotation Device by Micas. And I'm going to mix this in first and then just set it to the side. The rest of my soap base is going to be black, but I didn't want the black bats to be directly on the black top of the soap, so I figured I'd add a little orange. Stir that all up before I pour it on top. So make sure I have all the clumps out then. So now to this big bucket, I'm going to be doing a mix of colors. I'm going to be doing Black Pearl Mica from Nurture Soap, and we're going to put in a really good amount of this. Okay. Excuse me for that. My kids are at school, and then I'm adding Black Iron Oxide by Micas. When my kids are in school, I need to have my phone on in case, you know, one of them needs to be picked up from school, somebody's sick, so I can't have it on silent. So sometimes during filming, you're gonna hear that, but it's probably better than them yelling in the background when they're home. So take what I can. All right. This, I think, is pretty good. I'm going to be adding my confetti into it, and then I'm going to move it into an even smaller container so it doesn't plop everywhere. Alright, so let me get all the sides wiped down. Everything's nice and incorporated. Alright, and then I'm going to add my confetti. Alright, so I'm just going to do a couple handfuls at a time. The confetti. Oh, it's already stiffening up really well. Stir it in. I just like to make sure everything is nice and coated. Oh, we got plenty more room. Yay! And I did not add a fragrance oil to this base black soap because all these soap shavings already have an awesome fragrance in them. So it really didn't need any more. And I'm gonna add even more, I think. Yay! And I actually have like a whole entire other bucket. So I will be adding just a little bit more. is mostly confetti, and the black soap is really just to hold everything together, which I think will make the gorgeous Halloween colors pop even more. See, it's actually sitting on the top for a little bit, which is awesome. I want to make sure when I pour it, it doesn't just all float down to the very bottom. And I'll be tapping down my molds a lot so I don't have air bubbles. I'm just reaching for handfuls of soap. And I may even do, depends how much I get in, like a fun layer, this in between. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. This one is a nice one that I have a rough plan for, but not an exact plan. It's pretty much just to have fun, which I think most of my soaps should be, which they are. I don't really repeat a design if it's not fun. All right, so everything is incorporated really well. I'm gonna pour this down into here so it'll be easier to pour in the molds. That is just not an appealing sound at all. All right, remove my molds over. And I'm just gonna kind of fill up equal amounts in each. Let's see how this one looks. Oh man, this is just gross. But this is why I picked to do it in a smaller container instead of trying to do the bucket. That filled it up pretty well. All right, and then I'll fast forward this part. I'm just gonna keep going and keep filling these up. Okay, we're back. We stir this up. And then I'm just gonna very gently pour. I want this to be gently flooding the top, kind of sealing everything in. We're back to put the little bats on top. So I think I'm just gonna have them kind of going in halfway. And it's nice on this mold, I've permanently marked where the 1-inch markers are. So I want them to look like they're kind of flying, but they're kind of poking out. So you can see them when they're cut into bars. And I will speed this up because I feel like this could take a little while. Hi, and we're back 48 hours later to cut our Halloween bat soap, and I am so excited. I mean, these just look amazing. So it looks like it's completely smooth. You know, I'll never know until we see the inside. And because there's so many cold process embeds, I'm not using my jumbo cutter. I'm using my single cutter. So this is gonna take me a while. So I'm gonna cut a few normal motion, and then I'm gonna speed it up because honestly, it's gonna take a bit, and I'm gonna turn on the TV because I don't think you guys wanna hear me blab for the 20 minutes it's gonna take. All right, let's see. Yeah, I couldn't have done this with the multi-bar cutter. Nope. Oh, okay. I mean, honestly, this turned out, and look, we got the little bat guy on top. For the next ones, I will cut down. I think I'll probably plane this part so you can see all the awesomeness. But look at that. I mean, this just turned out just so much better than I could have hoped for. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the front of that off with the next one. Well, you know, I'll just plane it. All right, let me get a paper towel for that. Oh, that's cool. Okay, can't wait to see what the next ones are. All right. Oh, look at this. Okay, this is just fun. And I got the little bat guy on top. And I'm really happy I put the orange there to kind of just differentiate a little bit between all of this and this little guy. Look at that. Oh, these are great. So I'll just cut the next few and then I will lay them out on the table before I stamp them. And I will bring you guys in for a nice close-up for all the different colors. Oh, thank you. I thought that was gonna hit the bat. We're good. And then I'll say, wow. All right, these are great. These are adorable. And I'm gonna have a bunch of them. That's great. Yay. All right, and these will be released the end of September. They should be ready. Yeah, just in time for fall. Look at that one. And I'm glad I added a little sprinkle on top. Oh, okay. All right, well, I'll be back when they are all laid out and ready to stamp. Okay, here's everyone all stamped and ready to head to the curing rack. Alright, I hope you guys liked this video. I am so excited with how these cuties turned out. I love the little guy on the top. But if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Let me know what you think down below. Have a wonderful day.